Insurance operation managers are always looking for better ways to manage work and costs. CSC recently lowered costs by 20% and gained real-time monitoring of its global P&C operations by implementing industry-leading technology AWD. CSC's Cindy Scott and Stark Anfin discuss the reasons for moving to the system and the benefits to CSC clients.
We're actually the size of a large insurance company. We process 2.8 million policies and $3.9 billion in premium. We're always interested in enhancing our customer experience and improving our operational efficiencies. And in addition to that, we wanted to enable our process management. For our initial implementation, we chose a large commercial customer who is a program writer across the United States. They have a large offshore support staff, which is our CSC India group. So we knew that this particular account had a low cost structure, and we felt like if we could achieve a cost-benefit analysis on this account, that we could certainly achieve it on other accounts. We've known about AWD for several years. Our life operation has used AWD to process their business. They process millions of policies a year on the AWD system, and they were able to achieve productivity savings of 30 to 40%. In addition, we knew that CSC has helped multiple customers implement AWD in their own organization, and these companies have saved upward of 30% in productivity. And AWD really allows you to bring your operational assets together, your people, your processes, and your systems within your business framework, and it ensures harmony among all of those. AWD gives you complete control over your service quality, and it allows you to ensure that you meet your business goals and objectives with each transaction.
It's all web-based, and it's all very drag and drop. There's not a lot of complex going in and changing deep down server settings. It's all from the web. A lot of the tools you don't need a technical person to do. It's designed so that a business analyst can do all of the customizing, and we actually haven't used any technical people on our implementation yet. We started gathering the requirements, and then we started digging into the tool and learning it. After that, once we kind of got our feet wet, we just kind of took off with the tool and got everything up in about 3 months. 6 months ago, I had never heard of AWD, and now I'm managing our workflows in our back office.
The monitoring gave you real live dashboards of how your business is doing. And you could set those dashboards up at your company level, or you could set it up at a line of business level. You can even go down into a unit level, so you can look at your underwriting group or your accounting group or customer service. It also gives you real-time statistics on an individual basis, so you can see throughout the day how a person is doing with their workload on an hour-by-hour basis. We really like the design and orchestration piece. This allows you to develop business rules that tells the system how you're going to push the work through the organization. You can set up rules, for example, based on skills. So you can put your more complex work with your higher level underwriter, for example. Your less complex work can go to an underwriting assistant or a junior level underwriter. We have been able to reduce the staff by 20%, and we were able to move the staff on to new business opportunities. It gave management visibility into the operation. We were quickly able to see what processes were working and what processes weren't. We were able to identify bottlenecks and slowdowns, and the key thing is we could change those processes within a day or less.
And we started kind of thinking, well, what if we cut out 1 second here? What if we cut out 1 second there? And we looked, and some of our accounts, we're doing 50, 60,000 of a certain type of transaction a year. Our processors love it because they're now spending their time working. They're no longer, digging down, sending emails about things, spending all their time tracking work. They're now doing work.
AWD really supports us in a diverse work environment. We have people in remote locations, including work at home, and offshore with our CSC India staff. So AWD gives us great insight as to where the work is at all times and what the status of that work is. In addition, if we have agents and insureds calling in to request a status on a particular item, we can easily find it. If we need to, we can change the status to critical and move that up in the queue and get it worked right away. Well, in BPO, we have very aggressive service level agreements with our customers, and our goal in BPO is always to meet those SLAs or exceed them. So the tool gave us what we needed to be able to monitor that very closely.
Find out why more than 120 insurance companies rely on AWD to manage work for millions of policies. Whether installed in your back office or accessed through CSC's business process services, AWD can help you transform your operations. Ask for a free cost-benefit analysis by our business process experts and find out how much you can save with AWD. Contact your account representative or visit csc.com/AWD.